Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we are picking few cards for your general energies, career situation and relationship. So this is for your present situation, what obstacles you're facing and what is your past, future, the outcome of this reading, and more cards for your circumstances and more cards for your future situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Let's start with this card here, Scorpios. So it's 7 of Cups. You have lot of dreams and plans for your future, Scorpios. You're wishing wonderful things for yourself. You have lofty dreams, ideas, and you wish to achieve great heights. But you need to understand that if you are not focused enough, if you are distracted, you will not be able to reach your dreams. So to reach those huge dreams and goals, you need all that focus and attention towards your career or whatever you do, or if it is something to do in your relationship. You must work towards that. That is going to make you very successful. And we have 8 of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, in your career or in your relationship, there is some kind of a change coming. Something that is going to make you very happy. Something that is going to make you very interesting. So you need to understand that some changes are happening in your relationship, whatever troubles or whatever worries you have, or just like we saw, you have many dreams and plans. Maybe some kind of an opportunity is coming to you, something that is going to make you celebrate, because that is going to take you one step closer to your dreams and goals. So some opportunities may come, some kind of a help, some kind of guidance from someone close to you. So things are falling into place, Scorpios. So we have 5 of Wands and Ace of Swords. So you're making great efforts. You may be facing a lot of competition. People are very jealous of you. People are, considering you their rival, because you are a very skilled and talented person. So you're doing your best, you're working hard, trying your best, and your hard work will never be wasted, Scorpios. You must understand that. Maybe you may not see the fruits today, the results of your hard work today, and you may feel a little sad, and you may even rethink about all that you did, because you're not tasting that success today. But you need to understand that success, triumph, prosperity is all reaching you, and things are going to everything is changing with great force quickly. So before you expected, and it is going to be, your situation is going to be better than what you expected. So circumstances are really good in your situation, Scorpios. Everything is changing for something good, something better. So we will see more cards. It's 5 of Cups and 8 of Wands. So there is no need for you to think over the past. Maybe you have some worries, some regrets. You're wishing that certain things are would have been gone in a different way if you did this, or if things went this way. But you need to understand that you have everything you need right in front of you, and you are not aware of it. And some beautiful changes are happening today in your career and in your relationship. Things are falling into place, circumstances are changing, situation is changing, and whatever you wish for is right in front of you, but you are not seeing that. That may be the reason for worries, Scorpios. That is the reason you are regretting something of the past. You have worries of the past. You need to understand that your present circumstance is something better than what you are hoping for. So things are changing, and if it is some worry regarding your career, situation is definitely changing. You're going to see a great growth, a transformation. Big changes are here for you, Scorpios, coming at a very fast pace. And more cards, we have Fool and Devil in reverse. So you are rushing towards something. Circumstances are going to make you rush towards a change. It is going to make you very confident, feeling inspired, happy. And though you may be trying a lot, doing a lot, you may not see the results today, but very soon your situation is definitely changing. You may feel a little confused or stressed over something. You may feel that certain things are not going as you had hoped for. You may feel a little weak at heart because things are not falling into place as you had hoped for. But you need to understand that big changes are here for you. You are going to celebrate success, happiness, and prosperity is here for you, right in front of you. And the love you wish for is here for you. But you need to do your part. You need to stay focused. You need to stay positive, hoping for something beautiful, and stay true to your intentions, whatever you believe in. That is going to take you towards your dreams and plans, Scorpios. So we will see the final two cards, the final outcome. It's Nine of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. So I see that situation is going to turn in a very beautiful way. You are going to feel so happy, confident, that emotional satisfaction, contentment, sense of accomplishment is going to be there in your situation. And in your love, you are going to be so friendly. You are going to feel respected, cared for, and things will take a beautiful turn. This person and yourself, you are going to have a good relationship, good times ahead in this love, in this connection, Scorpios. Things are definitely going to go in a very beautiful way, better than you expected. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Scorpios.